What's going on, everybody? Cursor Miner here. We are playing Build Battle. I have been gone for a really long time. I know. Worst YouTuber ever. So unreliable. I mean, it's horrible. I mean, who wants to watch this guy? He's absolutely the worst you could ever have. So, right now, we are gonna go into... where is it?
Build Battle!
Where the heck is Build Battle?
I think I saw it.
There it is.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, horrible. See, he can't even find the right icon on the hub menu.
And he can't even mention his sister over here.
It's just absolutely horrible.
He can't even mention me over here.
What people would watch him? Okay,
A
we're gonna build a shark. Or I could build a tornado.
Oh no, hey, not Sharknado.
What if I want to build Sharknado?
Yeah, you're building Sharknado.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be so horrible that I mention that movie in my videos. That would be horrifying, because that movie was horrible. Absolutely horrible. I mean, they're coming out with a 4th movie. I mean, it's Sharknado. 1 was enough. 1 was enough, but no.
Oh, let's make 3 more, and then at the very end, the girl chops up a freaking
shark with a razor blade on a hand. It's not even, the plot's not even good. It's horrible. Please, no hate down in the comments for you people that actually like that movie.
Another thing about another thing about
it's horrible.
Another thing
Absolutely horrible.
Animals.
What, Sophia?
Our dog almost killed a little baby bird today.
Oh yeah.
We tried to save it, but the mom's daughter and the dad bird didn't really agree with that.
Yeah, she chased me all around the yard, and it was scary, and I almost died. So,
no.
Yes, I almost died. I bled out. I was sitting there bleeding on the deck. And I had to self-stitch myself, so...
Where'd all the blood go?
I don't know. Maybe the evil bird ate it all. Okay, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I have no idea.
You have no idea how to make a shark.
Oh my god.
And another reason why it's horrible. I have to live with this guy.
Oh, you be quiet. You're not an angel yourself.
I am.
Oh my god, this is absolutely horrid.
What is that?
Absolutely horrid.
That doesn't even look like a fish.
My god. See? This is why
it doesn't even look like a shark,
I
let alone a fish.
I don't do build battles. This is why I don't do build battles, guys. You're seeing it here first. Freaking horrible.
2 minutes remaining, and you got that.
This thing.
What if you win?
Thing.
What if you win?
I'll cry. I'd like to thank the Academy. And all the people that got me here.
Then if you win, the people here have bad taste.
You're so rude. You're not
in disguise.
Keep telling yourself that. So, well, guys, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep. Why you gotta be so rude? It's just because you're on camera. You want to be a big girl because you're on camera.
What?
I don't even know, Sophia. I don't even know.
1 minute remaining and you've got that.
I don't even know.
What it is? I don't either.
Like what? What even? I had a grand plan for this. There was gonna be blood everywhere. I should have just gone with a tornado and thrown some fish in it. Oh God. Okay, let's come like this and be like, wait, wait, what? Oh crap! No, no. I'm just gonna put some freaking eyes in here. Put some eyes.
Move it up. Aiden, you need to move it up one.
No, I don't. Yes! Oh my God, that was horrible! That was freaking horrible! Oh, what the heck is...
what? Tornado.
Okay, I can see how I went to this. I can see how I went to this. Oh, yeah, that's way better. I'm gonna put okay because I'm not gonna be a schmutz.
No. Just no.
I could see me losing to this thing. I could see it. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh my
That's absolutely beautiful. And
Super poop.
what? It's got wings.
Super poop.
It's got wings. Oh, I didn't even vote. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, I like that. I like that. That's
What?
good. That's good.
What? No. Hayden, vote, hurry.
He's so beautiful. He's so beautiful.
What is that?
It's a hammerhead shark.
Okay, no eyes. No mouth. That's nice.
It's okay. It's better than mine. Dang, Daniel. That got even ratchet teeth. God.
What? No.
Nyana, nyana, nyana. I don't even know what that is.
I put super.
There we go. Poop.
Oh, here you go.
Hey everybody, this is Curse Your Miners lot. Oh my God, this guy's horrible. I mean, look at those. I mean, he has a freaking stomach and everything. It's just stupid. There's nothing there.
What the? No.
This is so stupid. That was a horrible, horrible thing. Well, I don't even know what that
It's just sharks.
is. And I got 9th place.
The hammerhead
Thank
shark
you
won.
guys.
The hammerhead shark won.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Dang. Dang.
That thing doesn't even have
So,
eyes.
like, I started this video, and just in one round, it's already down to 8 minutes. Build battle solo. How do you even do build battle teams?
I don't
You'd
know.
be sitting there with
Because
people
everybody
that
has it. Their different ideas.
they
They're like,
don't
put this here and then put
they
that
don't-
over there. And get an abomination. Yeah.
droid. Okay, let's throw that out.
Alright,
Throw that
guys.
out. Throw that out.
He's gonna go like.
I'm gonna go
Crazy.
nerd on you guys. Completely nerd.
That's 3%. He's a nerd.
I'm an absolute nerd.
Yes. Very smart. Nerdy.
Thank you, Sophia. That was the nicest thing you said tonight.
He's in
And
a
yes,
bad
it's night.
classes.
It's nighttime.
It is
It's
exactly
9:08
a.m.
It's amazing.
Friday night. No.
Tonight,
Thursday night.
we are going to be making a droidica.
Oh. Wow. A droid.
Yes, because droidicas are amazing. Yes, Sophia, why are you sounding so disappointed in me?
I don't even remember where that's from. What's it from?
It is from... I just blanked there. It's from Star Wars.
Okay, be quiet. I hate Star Wars.
It's Star Wars.
It's boring.
No, it's about... Okay, I can see how it's boring to you. Because all you care about is action, 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 action. Gotta get that adrenaline running. Adrenaline, adrenaline, adrenaline. You know what? Just for that, you're not getting any time on this channel.
No! I
Oh, I think I'm gonna mess this up. Ooh.
Use some blood in there.
I forgot how the back of the Droideka looks like.
Or is the Droideka the big two-legged thing?
You're horrible, Sophia.
Or it's got like the box body, the two
I disown you as a sister.
bicycle. I don't know.
I disown you as a sister. Oh my.
I just
Well,
fell
my
off this
sister just fell.
queen bed. It's
Okay.
a queen bed.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't be hanging off the side looking at me like a weirdo.
I'm gonna hit my bouncy ball now.
Ow!
What? Ow!
Oh my, this is horrible.
Oh my gosh.
Don't even talk about it, Sophia. You don't even know what the Droideka is. So
Yeah, I don't. You know what I would make for a Droideka? I would just put a block. Be like, Droideka.
You don't even know what the Droideka is, so you wouldn't make a Droideka.
You know what I would do? Put a sign naming a lot of droids.
C-3PO, R2-D2.
What's C-3PO? Oh yeah, he's the wiry one. The little boy made. What's the little boy's name?
God.
What's the little boy's
His
name?
name's Anakin.
And what did you say the wiry robot thing was again?
C-3PO.
Okay. I'm serious. I know nothing about Star Wars.
She's not really a cool person.
What?
She sits in her room 5 hours a day and just toys away at little Build-A-Bears and all that
Rocks.
kind of stuff. And she's got a rock collection. I mean, who has a rock collection?
Who doesn't?
Actually, I did.
Mm-hmm. You do. I'm about to look at it. That's what I'm doing right now.
See? She's looking at rocks now. Like, how nerdy can you get? Oh my god.
Beyond, beyond. Very little. Droideka. You shall find Hayden's little mind of Star Wars. I have no idea what I'm saying. I'm mindless sometimes. Very mindless.
Oh no.
Without getting.
No! I messed it up.
What?
Wait, what?
The
That's not even a
what
droid.
the heck? I don't even know. What in the world? It's pizza.
Pizza.
A pizza.
I don't even know.
I like that one.
I'm gonna say
Oh,
poop. I'm gonna say poop because. Alright, there we go.
Cyborg. Cyborg
Because
in the house, yo. I
Wait
think
a
that was
second, what
him.
the heck is this?
Is that him? I heard a cat. I hear a cat. No, other side.
Oh, he's supposed to be R2D2. This
Other
guy knows what I'm. This guy's after my heart.
Oh, it's BB-8.
Is this BB-8?
Other side, I think.
Did he? Okay, yep, that's BB-8.
And I know something about Hayden.
Hey, it's a freaking Droideka and it's amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful Droideka. Oh,
BB-8.
There's BB-8 again. It's
Over there.
okay. No, I'm gonna put good because this one's actually pretty freaking
That's okay.
What the? There's a guy up there who's named Sands something. That means that he just started Minecraft. Wait,
That
this
one.
guy won?
Yeah.
Not 5th place. This guy won?
It's a cyborg. What even is that? Cyborg in the house. Yo, cyborg. 66 seconds left, everybody. We're just going to talk just the way through it.
Well, everybody, that was Build Battle. Sorry I've been gone. I'm getting my channel back up and running. I've been really busy. I have tons of homework. Well, now I am going to actually be doing my schedule. So, goodbye, everybody. You guys are amazing. And that's going to be it for today.